My Jimmy Dimi come and into sedity pain. Me to kwanya me foka media ne plane. Only second ya prepare more rice so you plain. No pain, no gain. Come on, get it straight and found.
And Chibia, because I don't know, say we are selfish in we are there. When it's about you, dear, a war, but you will be there. You feel like the person should be at peace. Sad now, so you know, if say we in Jaya, like a man the other side also feel it is as a thing on the also loser, and it doesn't make sense to me because said we in the panel, Mrs. me in the passa. There are some things I said about Janasi and I will say because you want some things from me, maybe from my wanting and there, yeah, maybe at time now we are Sunday. I feel happy for it was. And to be a one like you shouldn't be a self-centered person or person relationship and build a fire. You shouldn't do that. Because they remember the year where I am the same thing also the year. Don't make it look as if someone as some Michelle. But all the same. Matty, don't worry. I'll know what to do. I hope safe food are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll see you.
What's going on?
Sugar. Dear Sema. Hey, Nana. Aday. What's eating you up?
Things are not okay.
Again?
Yeah. Minim adia my virus. Adia minim me kaka mitrema. This time around, they may adia minim semaye, and I'll tell you. Girlfriend, minim adia my ye. Minim she. I'm there all of a sudden.
Sugar, we are sure someone young.
Mind dear. Ah, don't you trust me?
I do, but
maybe I also many me are aware of it.
I know.
Whether good or bad. Once me idea mean to me fancy, me catch you. Me name my husband and kasa rough. Me denying of anything. Just say, oh.
So what's happening?
I don't know.
Or try sell and also be pay back. Like
pay back for what?
Maybe also
this back and forth thing. You resolve the way back. Sani manani ye nyina ye no. Ye hu say mboy nyina. You resolve your issues nyina. Bibi e cost fine. Me ba me de ani gie na me de hia no so saa. All of a sudden I don't know. Me ni ma dia 18 up. When I ask it's a different thing. They will be shouting me said obey no ho akere me no. They say come Miss Rosa me ben. Wow. Yeah, girlfriend, Miss Rosa me ben me come this time around. No aye moody, no si hodin, on kasa ho. On no ni jollof, he said you did o pay jollof.
Ondi.
Oba panja bese no did that was then you on.
Oh God, sugar.
My dear, but all this thing I me from I'm passing through no with him I me in fact say e ko be to say me nyane no mo be my brain me wase to whom say my too stupid a man say my doormat man that's what you say I me trigger you know how it is
no
me oh ye say me bufu na me so me trigger me call offer
sweetheart
I think say no dey e bia yen kan mo bi
men can relax let me just call him and find out because sometimes I trust you but hey you are my babe I know what you can do. Hi virus Etise I or hase virus adai dia biem na ekoso ade wa ye obibi ana wakaseti yawo When you she, oh, women are nothing. I said, with them, said, I must say, like, everything is okay, like, with them, patch, and with them, my last chance, Mr. Last, and with them, I can last. Bibi o ye bia de fa che no wate.
Lena mai.
Me pacho. We dey be me na me pacho. Me no kase kwa me bungo to dwa me pacho. Ai. Me nim sa on peka sabat. Mate me dasi. Eni me hwe no oba sisi awai. Thank you so much. Thank you. He's not angry.
Ah, he's pretending to you, I'm telling you.
Also a train woofy.
Oh. Or train movie, Miss Mirror de Massa Minnesama.
Sweetheart, you didn't corner kuti. Also a train.
Hey, what do you make coming dances? I like I said, they are coming who changes. The corner changes so my memory.
You call me, okay?
Alright,
alright.
Thanks so much.
Bye.
Bye.
Virus. And you want to say something na catch or no? Wafa. So not to mention na make us ano. Nti men se san wa adwen. Baby I will come no waka si no one see. If you want peace, if you want to enjoy the earth, air, you want to breathe. And as person this sound that drama out there. I should calm down. Okay, I'm calm. And I make sure say they make catch on men fan say my kind to kwa kwa you. Or bad the oye no ye ne sa. Obasa nsa meti. Wo do sa kan oba be catch me.
Yeah, hello Bongo. Yeah, it is saying. Bongo na me ntimi mpa ntina me se me sere wa asa we free anka bo me time na me wa ni ntina me frɛ won chale me nya severe headache bi sa 9 why did you say we me pacho yo okay na mane mo mame why mane mo mame na me tie me yakata se me sort no why so wait my bonne no watch na kra mame why because me said any good mood me my head down pa. Okay. Mati, okay. Bye.
Hey baby. Oh, I don't like your face. Ade. Oh. Asamna na wojema. Virus. That's the way they are so very.
I know, but I'm easy, sir.
Yeah, easy. She's dead, gone.
I'm not fine. I'm just
please.
My headache.
You have to be fine. I'm here. That's why I'm here. Huh? My best time will chill up. Let's go have fun.
Ella. There's not the time for fun, please.
What do you mean, sir? This is not the time for fun?
What do I mean? Now, one case do you think that it is...
Now, time where they having fun.
Oh, stop it.
Time where they having fun.
Stop it.
I won't stop it. Sorry, for me. What are you telling me? Say, time where they having fun. Please, let's go and let's do the thing.
Then confirm.
Of course. Go do the thing.
Are you that wicked?
Which wickedness?
Who better the question?
Who know it's more day? Nipa na wo ko no dwene ho na me ameti ase na e.
Man, you won't Jezebel has a
I will grab you. Stand up and let's go and do that thing. Come on, follow me. Nigga.
Why are you doing this?
Virus. Ubaya na wonye. Ubaya na me koka. Me ko now so. Me ko now so. Some evidence here. So chop my back. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. No, we do what you. No, at your back this time. Let's go. At your back. Okay? Shh. Stand up. The channel edge. Come on. Let's go. Go.
Stop.
Let's go and do the shoot.
nice.
Are you nice?
Are you nice?
Oh, say you're nice.
Oh.
You're nice. Let's go.
Man, yes, sir.
It's nice. Come on. You don't have to complain. Just apply. Apply your waist. You know. You know. That's my boy.
Look good.
Yeah, fine.
Papa.
Nandra na jome da hono mo one casting bia afi me ko ejuma asen komo.
Oh, haninya asembia sir, just that.
Just that what? Then I was just that what?
Like said this is say yentama yen. Let me who say I think say yin na yen and I'm boy. Yeah, and I'm happy for that.
Yeah.
Just to say thank you and then in control so service show. I did be a bit cause me no ntem rough for yen trying to avoid it. Now in living like this because as it seems say atmosphere of your hand will say assassin. And for you to go and rent a new apartment like this for our peace, I think so I give you a thumbs up. Yeah, I'm grateful. Yeah. Before you go to work, you look good.
Alright. That's it. It's my question more. But me say my how me pon me coffee.
So
Because I think say ochina no me bon tem kakra ochina me ni NYDG be your morning show. Me say me hono so ben.
true.
Yeah, auntie. Me ko hono because on only show is the best at this is 620. The 620 now no be introduction be PBA be you know. I was say by latest by 6:30 6:45 me start with music and because I'm by the Hanum and I junior the year miss you something my memory and number family was a makoda person.
the only answer.
Who's a maybe son and my memory?
Yeah, that's so what they.
Hey, I'm not genuine.
And also crying. What that be 30 minutes crying sign jam my baby.
Hey,
energy.
And they so open so yeah no.
Oh, leave me alone. When the flare is there, they are.
What's I would say me timinya bisa na de cha me bonya san no ngo. Na sia na o mafia me kotena I am to say me bon kwasa nyom ba.
Effective job permit me to say pay on you okay. Don't worry,
we na your team.
Matsudia.
Abana san. I'm to ebure mo pie san. Udin kwa.
No me na mfo bi kwa ati we fia bush.
Mo team bobo udin we ya na de.
And okay. And the weekend so want me you we are I'll come over.
Abra me so. Who's that no order udin na wo sugar. Sugar be no honey cry.
Sugar me see honey dey no nya diabetes.
Honey kuchi so we wan say ufri kube so abeti ato so sa kwa no so wahi.
Wo
kubebra na wu.
Oh kubebra na wu did I dey.
Anduru wa.
Oh wo kaka
ka tina yam fe pa. Honey kuchi. Me ko nyuma mama.
Do you? Oh good. Save. Such a happy woman.
My Jimmy Dimi come into Saturday pain. Me to kwanya me foka media ne plane. Uni sika jabri bia mo rice so you plane. Girlfriend.
It seems that there is something serious wrong with my husband. And you said there be complaints me about, but this time around, it's not about me. Me feel say baby say my husband son. Me can't doubt. Because say baby happen cry between me and her. They say mood we a woman. I see him different. Me can't doubt. When they kasa o phone so response me adie wa committee on one kasa kwa no enye se wo ne buafu say you but wetin say onye okay I don't know what's wrong me nim adie potia e ha no ma bon na I have pushed him several times at least so be open up to me girlfriend say ja My worry be you also. So what I say, you've been such a very good friend, and then I can trust you for some reasons. You understand? I mean, so won't me nyame bone. Intimate my worry asem there. Me nim de me unnim wo me ho. Become a baby assured. What I say? Only me husband kasa. Ebia na wo de wani mu ferry a open up amount. Say bibi na ekoso, say ye den. When na only about to honor bibi how. Say ye sikasem, say ye den. Minim.
And like when it's how when you call beer, say be threaten and not say beer. No. Those things no like.
Me notice bibi sa. Me notice bibi sa.
Ready mo edi.
I say me didn't have problems crying na your phone. Any I can't ask someone I did on catch himself. Cause someone I didn't did. To the be an Beyonce in their hands to resolve those issues. Me said then your cause be problems be our me
where some so let me just call him and see.
Right away.
Yeah, of course. Let me call him in front of you. Because you have to be up with cheer. Hey Virus, what's up? I'm good. Anyways, me want you home. I want to mention. What can be actually me? Me na dey na koso.
Me too kwanya me foka me dia ne plane.